part 4 of this test review for Unit 3, three-dimensional figures. This time we're going to have three-dimensional objects on a coordinate plane. Looks like I got a sphere on a coordinate plane over there, doesn't it? Well, let's look at our first problem. I do have a sphere on a coordinate plane. It's different than the one in the picture before. Okay, let's find the volume of this sphere. Okay, what's the diameter? You got any clues? Where does the sphere start on the x-axis? I drop a line down. It looks like it's supposed to be 1. Well, where does the sphere stop on the x-axis? I drop a line down. It looks like 8. So it looks like the diameter is going to be 8 minus 1, or the diameter is 7 units. Okay, let's get started. How do we find the volume of a sphere? It is 4 over 3 times pi r cubed. All right. So, I know that the diameter is 7 units, but I need the radius, and the radius is 3.5. Okay, let's plug it in. There we go. Notice I am cubing the radius, so I'm going to do that. I moved my 3 and my 4 over, so it's all over one vinculum. I'm going to multiply everything on the top, and then I'm going to divide it by 3 on the bottom. It looks like the volume of this sphere is 179.50 units cubed. When we don't know if it's meters or inches or whatever, we just say units cubed. All right, next problem. I wonder what it's going to be. Oh, find the volume of this cone on a coordinate plane. Oh my gosh. Well, what's the diameter of this cone? Remember last time we wanted to know, where does the cone start and stop on the x-axis? Let's drop some lines down again. 1, it looks like this time, and 7. Okay, so the diameter is 7 minus 1, or that's 6 units. All right, now we need to know the height of the cone, don't we? Well, the top looks fairly easy. I think it's going to start at 9. And where does it stop? Now we want to look at where the base is the widest. I don't think 1's where it stops. We have to stop where the base is the widest, and that's going to be 2. So it looks like it's from 9 to 2, or the height is 7 inches, or units, excuse me. All right, what's the formula? Well, remember, it's just like a cylinder, pi r squared times the height, but because it's a cone, we divide it by 3, or multiply by 1/3, I divide by 3. It's the same difference. Okay, what do we know? Well, we know the diameter is 6 units and the height is 7. Oh, wait a minute. We need the radius, don't we? So that's going to make it 3. Careful on those things. That's how sometimes they try to trick you. Let's plug this all in. Okay, 3 goes in for the radius, 7 goes in for the height. I'm going to go ahead and square my 3 and multiply across, and that's going to look like that. Now I'm going to continue and multiply everything in the top, or everything in the numerator together, and I get 109 point, let's say that again, 197.82. What do I do now? Divide by 3. Bam, there we go. Now you may wonder why I take all that time to do all that calculation. I've seen too many people put things in the calculator wrong. They know how to do the problem, but they put it in the calculator wrong. Don't do that, okay? That's why I take so many steps with my calculator. Remember, push yourself because no one else is going to do it for you. In fact, no one else can do it for you. So study. Have a great day. Bye, guys.